Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you and it's a Flourless Chaffle. Yes, it has no cheese in it either and it's turned out absolutely wonderful. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is going to be great for your sandwiches and for your burgers and quick and easy to make too. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with 2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed meal. Then we put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of tahini paste. Tahini paste is nothing but sesame seeds that have been put into the blender along with 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'm cracking in 1 egg and then give it a good mix and 1 tablespoon of room temperature water. Now you take your little mini dash and butter it, and each chaffle will take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and you'll get 2 waffles out of this mixture. And there we have this lovely chaffle ready to be eaten with your sandwiches as well as your burgers. Thanks for watching. Bye then.